Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now Move Nation. Now, while fans are in support of Spice and her decision to end her relationship, Justin is blaming the fans and the attention from the media for causing a strain on said relationship. Now, Spice, being focused on her career, has tried her best to keep the situation out of the media. I mean, I have definitely respect her for that, to keep her personal life personal and to keep her career separate from her personal life. Now, she did post a post on IG stating that a woman needs to know when to walk away and stop trying to fix certain things. Of course, I'm going to see the post and they will contain the reason, Nation. Look and listen.
You got to stop trying to fix things that you didn't break. It's not your responsibility.
Yes, Nation, and now let's continue the reason. Now, first and foremost, for entertainers, it is always extremely hard to maintain a relationship, especially with the media attention. Now, Spice is new to fame. She has attained, however, a new level of celebrity status. But at the same time, tell me what you think. Do you agree with Justin saying that the extra attention from both the media and fans who continue to question their relationship? First, it was the authenticity, if it even real. Some are even calling this a publicity stunt, saying maybe Spice is a new song on the way and this is a way of promoting a new song. Well, if the new song in question is this new snippet that has fans of both Spice and the dancehall king Vybz Kartel in high anticipation of its release, well, dancehall is ready. May I make you hear the snippet and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Spice, give me cause you went up. Baby, you have me get chopped. Slow wine, cup the things, them in my ears now.
Cartel skin out me tight Gucci. Breathing.
Yes, Nation, and with fans complaining of a lack of songs for the woman them. Now song, now record and release for the woman them dance and enjoy themselves. This is definitely a track that will be well appreciated by dancehall fans. And we also know this for a fact. Spice and Vybz Kartel never miss on a feature. Never. Always something that becomes a classic in the dancehall genre. And of course, with the vibe created with Vybz Kartel, are one of Vybz Kartel's most recent features with Chanel. It's definitely something where the fans can look forward to. Bring back that energy in the dancehall space, where the woman them can go a party and dance and enjoy themselves. Now, Spice has also been confirmed to be a part of the 2022 staging of Sunfest. So Jamaican fans can also look forward to see Spice performing on stage once again. And to date, it's going to be the first a show of this magnitude has been held on the island. You know, crazy people are flying. Now, as it pertains to Spice and her music career, Spice is still doing extremely well in the dancehall industry. Recently using her IG page to point out some of the musical achievements and milestones that she has reached in her career. And seeing that, as we are talking about Sunfest and performance, on-stage performance, when we talk about on-stage performance, Spice is still one of the dancehall artists. When we see her on stage with our dancers, them from the choreography to just the stage presence, them give you that vibe of dancehall. We have to also talk about the crowd interaction. Spice and one of them artists that will walk in the crowd, dance with the people, and interact with the fans. Restrictions still say a certain way now, so we don't know about that. But both fans locally and fans overseas always state that a Spice stage show is definitely something memorable. Now, people still have mixed reviews about the Grammys and what take place. Now, let's make this clear. Yebuju say what him say. Chronic say what him say. But think about this. It can't fair for dancehall artists and then reggae artists be put into the same category when competing for any type of award. Even though both dancehall and reggae, both created on the Jamaican island. From the beats per second to the subject matter to the artists involved in both respective genres. Totally different music. Totally different vibe of music. Of course, you have conscious dancehall songs. Both Spice and Vybz Kartel have a long list of conscious dancehall music. This is proof that it is only fair that if the Grammys have pay respects to Jamaican music, and remember, Jamaican music and a Grammy Award are in a situation like this. While they are dancehall artists or artists who would say a dancehall music them do, and the fact that they have received Grammys, a Grammy Award is not necessarily for Jamaica the highest level of musical achievement. Because the people them crown Bob, the king of reggae, long before him get the Grammy. And in Jamaica, it is still what the fans say, still what the streets are say. That is the determining factor for who are the artists who have the buzz in Jamaica. Internationally, it might be a different thing. Some people count awards, some people count how much plaques you accumulate over your career, how much units the album sell. It's kind of different. Some people still count the cultural impact of the music, as in the case with like Biggie and Tupac. But talk to me. Tell me if you agree that the dancehall genre is long overdue a category at the Grammys. There are numerous other categories at the Grammys that can trace their roots of origin to Jamaican music. And that's a whole heap. How dancehall now a category at the Grammys. And that's all I'm going to say about the situation there. Basically, the odds were stacked against Spice and her nomination. And if they matter about the Grammys overall, to be Grammy nominated is also something where them go say whenever them call her up on a stage or say anything about Spice at any musical event. No, Nisha, I want you to take to the comment section and want you to tell me what your favorite Vybz Kartel and Spice feature. And tell me how you feel about the snippet from the new track. And tell me your anticipation. Talk to me, is dancehall ready for another Vybz Kartel and Spice collaboration? I know the people still remember the Billboard achievements for Ramping Shop, which was the first time Spice graced the billboards. First time she see her name up there on the billboards and can say, yo, dancehall music, recorded, mixed and mastered on the Jamaican island, can do it to that level. She herself stated that that was a groundbreaking moment in her career. And it was not long after that she decided to say, yo, she'll go overseas so she can continue to push her career on an international level. And as we know, love and hip hop, the whole link up. I don't know, she get a reoccurring spot. Enough people, you will see them pop up, you know, see them back. But obviously, fans of the Love and Hip Hop series, you know, them have New York, different place. Clearly, them like Spice and what she bring to the show. It was also on the same set where she and Justin link up. And as I was saying, some fans in agreement with Spice's decision. At the end of the day, the decision is of course hers. Some people, as you know, being fans of Spice, they're going to start talking a whole heap of thing about Justin. Whether it be rumored or just them feel like for say them thing. Now, his response is simple. A simple things like that create a strain upon them relationship. And we hear numerous stars complain of the very same thing. Saying that sometime at the outside pressure, things that we see in the media, different articles, we are state this, we are state that. Because remember, even celebrities, even the same people them we see, the media talk about, them same wanna read the article about them own life. but situations that them experience firsthand. And as they have stated, them see the twists and the turns. The fact that people add or subtract key pieces of information, feed, look a certain type of way. Talk to me and tell me if you feel like a true. As I'm say, numerous celebrities have stated the very same thing. I mean, we see numerous relationships so we feel like say, alright, yeah, them a do them thing, them set them thing. And we see them separate. Now, as I would say, you have to respect Spice and the fact that she try her best, even though fans continue to inquire about the situation. She try her best to keep it out of the media. She made the post, and it was a voiceover post, and it have a cryptic message. Who can read into it? Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. You know the settings, and for those who don't, you now move settings for me. Now we don't need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned until the reason again. Like the video, share the video, click the subscribe icon. The subscribe icon is in close proximity to the share icon. You can drop a like and bust a share. You know the sentiment. I'm saying comment section 24/7 too. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But drop your thoughts, your opinions right there. Until the reason again, stay tuned.